Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync with bots in RH Dance Studio. First, navigate to the Dance Studio within the game. Once inside, locate the bot control panel, usually found on the side or bottom of your screen. This panel is your primary tool for managing bot actions. Ensure your dance sequence is ready, as precise timing is crucial for successful synchronization. We'll cover the initial setup steps to get your bots ready to dance alongside you. Now, let's configure your bots' movements. From the control panel, select the bots you want to participate. You can choose to assign them individual dance moves or an entire pre-recorded routine. Pay close attention to their speed and timing settings. Matching these precisely with your own dance will create a seamless and impressive synchronized performance. Experiment with different settings to find the perfect rhythm for your show. For more intricate performances, explore advanced synchronization techniques. The timeline editor allows for precise, frame-by-frame adjustments, ensuring every bot move is perfectly aligned. You can also implement subtle delays or accelerations to create dynamic group choreography, adding depth to your routine. Remember to save your custom bot synchronization profiles. This saves time and allows you to quickly load your favorite setups for future dance sessions. Finally, perfecting your synchronized performance requires practice. Run through your routine multiple times, focusing on fluidity and precision. Record your sessions and review them to identify any areas needing improvement, like a bot being slightly off beat. A polished performance truly stands out. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your gaming and living space. Keep dancing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.